What's up, everyone? Fans of Houston. I'm here with my Moss Caribbean fan. Here's the control it came with. This is the stock control. This is a really nice fan. I'm not sure if it's cast iron. I don't think it's cast iron. It might be, but I'm not 100% sure. So I really love this fan. I've been meaning to demo this fan for a long time, but I just haven't got the time to do it. But it's been getting a lot of use since I've got it. I got it along with Evergo and all the other fans you've been seeing. And this I got like a year ago, but I'm just now testing it. So I'll go ahead and plug the fan in and start it up. So this fan has 4 speeds, with 4 being our lowest speed. I'm not sure of the year. I'm sure it's from the early 80s. If I find out the exact year, I'll put it in the description. So I'm gonna start it off on 4, the lowest speed. And with it being a transformer based control, the control also vibrates and hums as the fan runs. So as you can see, this is a pretty fast low speed. Go to speed 3. What is it, medium low? This fan is non-reversible. And it being an industrial fan, all the speeds are functional, not aesthetic. If you wanted aesthetic speeds from this fan, you'd have to add like your own control. Maybe like a variable speed. Let's go to speed 3, medium high. So even it not being on its full speed, it flies. It does a lot better than a lot of 50-cent fans. This is actually one of my favorites right now. I'm on the search for a CNC industrial and a Golden Fan industrial. You know, the big one with the 4 blades is really nice, but high. There is no AC in this garage, and this is currently pulling the garage. Normally you'd be sweating bricks in here. But that's why this fan has been getting a lot more use than it being on the videos, because I use this fan while I'm in here, because this is the new testing area. It's not a permanent spot for it. It's not staying right there. I'll go ahead and shut it off. Thank you all for watching.